Hi everyone, my name is Sivan. I work here at Go Cosmetics, and I just wanted, I understand you need some explanation about the product that we're trying to promote. First, I want to apologize if my English it's good, but sometimes it's not so good, and you're gonna feel it in a few minutes. Anyway, so we're trying to promote 3 products as of now, which is the Blanco soap and cream, and then we have the hyaluronic acid. Everything is pharmaceutical and tested in Israel. I'll explain to you about the company in a few minutes, so you so you get a better feeling and understanding what we do here and how active our products are. But first thing is, okay, so we have the Blanco. That's a purifying facial cleanser gel. It smells very, very good. I would definitely recommend it to use it every morning and night to wash the face. You see, it's like whitish, clear, kind of jelly soap. And why I like it so much, because it's also give you a nice moisture feeling after you wash the soap off the skin. Okay, so this will be the first step, using the Blanco soap, the purifying soap. And after that, I know it seems like the next step should be the Blanco cream, but no, the next step will be the hyaluronic acid serum, and I'll explain to you why. Okay, the Blanco cream, beside of brightening age spots, sunspot, acne spots, okay, this is an acne spot, okay, you see, left pigment on my skin. It's also a cocktail of different kind of acid that exfoliate the skin and opening the cells to the dermis. Okay, so why do I suggest first putting the hyaluronic acid is because hyaluronic molecule, okay, hyaluronic acid is part of your collagen. During time we lose it, and that's when the wrinkle appears, because we're losing the collagen. Okay, so what we recommend is putting the hyaluronic acid on the face, 2 drops. Now, because the molecule is a little bit bigger, work on the collagen, but basically sitting on the upper level of the skin and give you that nice radiance and hydration feeling and smooth feeling, which I love. We help with the Blanco, because as I mentioned before, it's a cocktail of acid that opens those skin cells into the dermis, help the hyaluronic acid to penetrate deeper into the skin and really work on the collagen in the dermis. So what I usually do, just by the way, just to let you know, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm 39 years old. I'm using this product for about 3 months, which I love it. This is my skin, and I use it every morning and night. I put 2 drops. I like a little bit on the lips to moisture my lips as well. That's when I put my lipstick. I apply it on the skin, cheek, and ending up at the T-zone. As you can see, I don't know if you noticed, but right away my skin turns red. Why? Because it's working. And the rest on the neck. Very important to work on the neck. The neck is the toughest area because the skin is very, very thin. There's not so much product that you can really work on the neck. So this is hyaluronic acid serum. After you apply it on the face, the rest of it you can apply it on the neck or just by itself. Then I'm gonna put the Blanco cream. Now the Blanco cream, it has a heavy feeling to it, but the minute you put it on the skin, it absorbs really, really fast, so it doesn't give you over moisture on the skin, and it's excellent as well for dry skin, and I'll explain to you in a minute why. This is the cream, okay? It looks creamy. but when you open it and during time, it will appear like a brownish kind of a color. And because it has a high consistency here, you hear my language? Consistency of vitamin C. But it's fine. It's okay. It's normal. It's supposed to happen. You just mix it a bit and that's it. So we're just going to take, a drop. That's it. Apply it on the cheek. Go to the chin and end on the T-bone. Okay? The rest on the neck. You see how my skin is a bit reddish? It's good. It means it's working. I do feel a little bit of tingling in this area and here, which is fine and normal. Okay, at the beginning, the client will feel that. It's not that the products is defect. The opposite. The products is working. As the skin gets used to it, they won't feel it anymore. It just continuing to do the job on the skin. So what's good about the Blanco is it has a few facts about it. It's brightening age spots, sun damage, acne damage that result in pigmentation. It's not good for strong hyperpigmentation like melasma, okay? But it is a good extra product to put in the morning and prevent or maintain, let's say, the result after the melasma has been brightened up and you have that even skin tone. Okay, so it's an extra product that it is good for melasma, but it will not get rid of melasma. Melasma, it's a very tough pigmentation, needs more work, needs more chemicals, stronger ones. It's not for that, but it's excellent for age spots, sunspots, acne spots, light pigmentation, and it's excellent as well working on the neck. Okay, chest and neck, which is perfect. Now it's also built collagen, firming the skin, tightening the elasticity, and really rejuvenating the whole face. Now what it has a cocktail of different acids that really open up the skin. So any products that you're gonna put, it's gonna penetrate inside the dermis like I did, hyaluronic acid, which I use in morning and night. And it has 4 main ingredients. The first one is arbutin. It's ARBUTIN. Arbutin, it's a replacement for hydroquinone. There are people who are allergic to hydroquinone that cannot use hydroquinone because they are pregnant or any other skin sensitivity. And people who have used hydroquinone, but there's a limit for how long you can use it, okay? People who have seborrhea and rosacea, psoriasis, and suffer from, age spots cannot usually use hydroquinone because hydroquinone by itself, you cannot use it. You need to combine it with a different ingredients like retinol, and retinol is not good for that type of skin. It will give them a lot of irritation on the skin because their skin is already sensitive, so it's not for them. So this is a very good product for sensitive skin as well, and during pregnancy and breastfeeding, product to apply, because pregnant people usually do have that pigmentation. We usually see it on the upper lip. It looks like a mustache or small spots around this area. So what it does is just the arbutin, it's preventing that reproduction of the melanin, okay? So it prevents that pigmentation from getting worse and lighten the pigmentation. Okay, so for pregnant women it's excellent, and any other kind of skin as well, all type of skin, that's not an issue. But again, it's not for bad pigmentation like melasma. Okay, Another ingredient, it's urea. Urea is urea. Urea is it's an ingredient that helps to exfoliate the skin. Okay, the upper level of the skin, it's like your keratin on the nail. Okay, we need to exfoliate that. So the urea, what it does, it helps to exfoliate dead cells from building one above the other, which is usually appear on dry skin. So at the same time, while we're exfoliating that dead cells, we also give moisture to the skin, because the urea restored the water inside the collagen, inside the dermis. Because as we age, we also lose water in our skin, and that's when the skin's starting to get dry and wrinkly. So it's restored the water, it exfoliate those dead cells, renewing them, okay, because it's very important to have a renewal skin all the time, especially as we age and we get older and older. And it's also brightening the pigmentation, okay, and help to build up the collagen. Now, the third ingredient is lactic acid. Lactic acid is, again, it's to rejuvenate the skin, exfoliate those dead cells, firm the skin, build up collagen, strengthen the elasticity. It's an anti-aging product that helps the skin to rejuvenate itself and also brighten the pigmentation, as I mentioned before. Now, the fourth ingredient, it has vitamin C. That's why the cream sometimes will turn a bit of brownish color, light brownish color, because of that vitamin C with a combination of acid, but it's fine. It's supposed to happen, because this is a pharmaceutical product. This is not a product that has fragrances in it. It doesn't smell good, okay? And it's not it has water in it, but mostly those moisturizer creams over the counter has a high consistency of water with fragrance, and they don't work so much. So this is pharmaceutical, tested, proven itself, it works. So vitamin C is antitoxin, again my language, ingredient, and it's very good for all skin condition, because what it does, it's protect the skin from sun damage. Sun damage results in all skin problem, basically. Age spots, wrinkles, loss of collagen, loss of elasticity, acne, okay, it's promote that bacteria in the acne, loss of water, hydration in the skin. So the vitamin C basically protect our skin from UVA, UVB, okay, and help to brighten and the pigmentation, the divisions of cells, so it won't be built up one above the other, and really exfoliate and fall in and renew the skin. And that's it. It's essential for the skin. Vitamin C you can find in any product. So those are the main four ingredients, and there are much more, like a cocktail of different acid. As I applied the cream, you saw right away I turned red. I felt that tingling, because it's like opening the window to the dermis, and that's where that's where the collagen, the elasticity, that's the melanin that is overproducing itself. So we need to maintain that reproduction of that melanin and brighten the pigmentation. It's good for seborrhea, rosacea, pregnant women, breastfeeding women, any person who overused the Driconon and cannot use it anymore. And it's a really anti-aging cream. You can use it morning and night. Big benefit, you can use it on the neck compared to retinol where you cannot use it on the neck. It helped to penetrate a serum like this, hyaluronic acid that we sell here. And that's it. And when I after I'm putting this, okay, the Blanco or any other active cream in our company, we always put a sunblock, okay? We have it in 3 colors. We have actually 4. One is without color. Then we have light, medium, and dark. I'm myself using the medium. Now what's good about this sunblock, no client leaves the store without this sunblock, okay? It has an extra pearl in it for an extra protection for the whole day. It's not like applying every 2 hours. She just put it in the morning and she can do whatever she wants until she get home at night. And the feeling of it, I'll show you. See, just a little bit of tinting. It doesn't feel too much moisture on the skin. It sits very nicely. Above that, they can put makeup if they want. Doesn't make the skin over shiny. And that greasy kind of feeling that we usually have from sunblock. That's it. Did I mention that the Blanco also restore that moisture in the skin and hydrate it as well? You know why? Because it restored the water inside the dermis. Okay, so that's it. I put the sunblock. I'm ready to go. As I mentioned before, I don't have any makeup on me. And I'm using only the Blanco. And just to let you know, my skin is very sensitive to the sun. Although it seems it's not too, because I have like that darker tone. But I am. Actually, my skin tone is the most sensitive skin tone for the sun. I'm sorry, that's my ceiling. Okay, let me show you a bit what we do here, so you'll get an idea how strong our products. Okay, we focus on chemical peel treatments. You see? So we do a chemical peel and then we give strong active products at night. This, for example, it's a bad pigmentation skin. Of course, the Blanco itself would not help. They need something stronger. But the Blanco, it is a morning cream just to maintain the result. Again, the Blanco will not help with this kind of pigmentation. This person needs a stronger creams with a combination of the chemical peel. Again, everything is pharmaceutical by us. Here's a good example for a Blanco, okay? This Blanco will help this person lighten the age spots and firming those wrinkles, okay? If she uses it morning and night. This is acne. This is all chemical peel treatments with active products that we use at night. Without the products, the chemical peel will never work. And everything is pharmaceutical and tested by us, Go Cosmetics and Skincare. This is pigmentation, okay? The Blanco, for her, she has active products at night, but the Blanco will be used in the morning to maintain the result, okay? Let me show you more. This as well, pigmentation. She's a redhead. This is all freckles. There's another. Those are age spot. It's very, very deep. She neglected her skin for years. We did a chemical peel with some night creams that she's using, and the Blanco, of course, in the morning. This is acne treatment. Again, chemical peel with night creams. Blanco will be excellent for this kind of skin. Again, age spots, although here she had like a bad melasma, but the rest of it, the Blanco will do the work and firming that wrinkles over here. This a very bad melasma. As I mentioned before, the Blanco will not work on melasma. It just will help to maintain the result in the morning. So again, Blanco is good for age spot, sunspots, prevent pigmentation during pregnancy, breastfeeding, help to maintain result after using adrenaline. You can use it morning and night. It's good for building collagen, elasticity, firming the skin, giving moisture to the skin. It's excellent for dry skin as well, and oily skin, all skin type. And again, it's good for the neck. Okay, a lot of product out there, you can, especially anti-aging products like retinol, which is the main ingredients for anti-aging. You cannot use it on the neck, so this is an excellent product to use in the neck. It's a replacement for adriconon. Adriconon, not all people can use it. There are people who are sensitive or allergic to it, and there's a limit of how long you can use adriconon on the face as well. And that's it. That's the set. Here is the soap. Here's the box for the cream. Okay, it's glass. It's not plastic. When you have active ingredients inside a cream, you cannot use plastic. Otherwise, it's gonna spoil the cream and the ingredients itself. So glass, it's very important to have a glass jar. This is the hyaluronic acid, which I love, and sunblock, it's a must. Okay, well, thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you. Bye.